तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
Covers. Now, let's take a pledge to be kind and compassionate with everyone.
I pledge myself on this day to try to be kind in every way. To every person, big and small, I will help them if they fall. When I love myself and others too, that is the best way that can I do.
Now, Advaita, Anvi, and one of the parents are going to share the deeds of kindness with us.
Hello everyone, my name is Advaita Kaushik. Now I am going to share my deeds of kindness. Sometimes it takes on. One day I heard about orphanage where children had no shoes to buy books. So on my birthday I decided to go there with my parents and distributed some books and stationery items to them with a piece of cake. I felt so happy after seeing smile on their faces.
Good morning, everyone. I am Anvi Gupta. Today, I will share my deeds of kindness. One day, my best friend Kashvi fell off her bicycle. Her leg was paining badly. I gave her first aid and informed my mother. I took her to my home and took care of her till her mother arrived. Her mother appreciated my act of kindness. Kashvi was also feeling much better. Kindness can make a bad day good and a good day better.
Hello everyone, I am the parent of Akshita Jain. Today I feel honored and excited to be a part of this ongoing assembly. In keeping with the theme of today's assembly, that is kindness towards everyone, I would like to share one of my deeds of kindness with you all. Last year, my left foot got fractured, and to help me out, I kept a full day house help at my place. She was young and smart and did all the house chores well. But I observed that she couldn't do simple money calculations. Whenever I used to give her money to buy groceries or I used to pay her salary in cash, she admitted that she is an illiterate. So I decided to make the best use of my time while I was prescribed bed rest by teaching her simple everyday calculations. By the time I regained my ability to walk after a couple of months, she became an expert in basic calculations and thanked me. I felt happier and contented. So, in our everyday lives, we can find several ways to show kindness towards others to make their lives better. Thank you.
No act of kindness is ever wasted, so we should be kind towards everyone, every time. Now, Ahana will give a dance performance to show gratitude towards kind people.
कहना है एक बड़ा सा थैंक यू है सब कुछ टूवर्ड्स मी रोज दिखाते जाए कुछ नया या दुनिया हाथों में रख के Thanks a lot, lots and lots many ways just to say thanks a lot सुबह हो या शाम चाहे जो भी हो काम होगा पहले बस तुम्हारा नाम Thanks a lot, lots and lots many ways just to say thanks a lot हर पन्ने पे हो एक नई कहानी, हर एल को हैप्पी हम करें, हर बात की देंगे छूट, हर दिन कोई तोहफा क्यूट, जो भी हो साथ ना छोड़े. Thanks a lot, lots and lots, so many ways to say thanks a lot. गाते रहे हम चाहे खुशी हो या गम, अपनी ये चिंता ना हो खत्म. Thanks a lot, we've got a lot, so many ways just to say thanks a lot.
What an enchanting performance by Ahan. Now I request Principal cum Director Ma'am to start her blessings upon us.
So good morning, all of you. And thank you for inviting me for the assembly. And I believe class 3rd G and H have kind of come together under the mentorship of Preeti ma'am and Meena ma'am. They have put up a lovely assembly on let's rekindle a spark in someone's heart. And that is nothing else but kindness. And especially during the times that we are going through, I think this act of kindness can really, really be very, very significant and motivating for, in somebody's life. So I'm so happy that all of you are exercising, empathy in your lives. And not sympathy, right? Nobody needs sympathy these days, but everybody needs empathy. And I think one of an important component of empathy is to understand and be in somebody else's shoe and be kind. And it's always good to be kind to each other, whether it is kind to your siblings or kind to your parents and kind to the pets that you have, or the birds around you, kind towards nature. I think that's very, very important, that we all need to be very, very kind to the nature. We need to treat nature, very, very nicely. And so I think so that nature also gives back a lot of things. And I think all that is happening in today's time is all because we are very ruthless with the nature. So make sure that the thought that you take away is that be kind to both living and non-living around you, and make this ecosystem a beautiful and a happy place to live. So I just hope and wish that all of you are good, safe, your families are safe, and please take good care of yourself. And remember that all your teachers and we all at school love you, miss you, and just hope and wish that this situation improves and we are able to welcome all of you back to the school. So thank you, Anilu. Today, the day is dedicated to class 3. It seems it started assembly by Renu on Manobal Ek Atut Shakti. और उसके बाद आप बच्चों को kindness सिखा रहे हैं through such a wonderful assembly. I feel that both the topics which have been covered and the topics that the class 3 has covered earlier, I think this will really, really help us to make the children what we really want and to build up the ethics that FPR strong stands very, very strongly for. So thank you, Parul. Thank you. I would like to congratulate the headmistress in making sure that these assemblies are very well conducted. So thank you and God bless you all.
सुनो भाई सुनो 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 भाई सुनो सुनो
सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो 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 भाई सुनो सुनो
क्या भाई क्या क्या भाई क्या क्या भाई क्या क्या भाई क्या
करो दया इंसान बनो महान बनो
कैसे 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 कहो कहो भाई कहो कहो
कैसे 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 कहो कहो भाई कहो कहो
बनो दयालु खाओ
बनाओ पर खाने से होगा क्या। पहचान तुम्हारी बन जाएगी, दुनिया तुम जैसी बन पाएगी। वाह भाई वाह, 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 वाह भाई वाह। जीव नहीं इंसान बनो, दया का खुद में भाव भरो, बन कृपालु दो जग को संदेश, यही है मनुष्य का सही आवेश। वाह भाई वाह, वाह भाई वाह, वाह भाई वाह, वाह भाई वाह। दया हमारा मान बने, दया हमारा विमान बने, दिखलाओ सारे जग को ये तुम। कैसे 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 कर मेहरबानी हर जीव पर तुम। सही कहा भाई, सही कहा भैया, बिल्कुल